Hey there! In this training video, we will explain how to connect the SceneTouch panel to an Imagine Workgroup. We're in the main screen of the ST7 and the device is showing a default page. We tap on the space and hold our finger until the menu for entering the pin appears. In this menu, we type the default pin 123 and press OK. We are now entering the editor mode. We press the setting button on the top right corner. Next, we need to change the network configuration of our SceneTouch panel. We start by disabling the Wi-Fi in the Settings tab. We click the Wi-Fi. We toggle Wi-Fi from enabled to disable and click the arrow back. We enter the Ethernet setting. We're making sure that Ethernet is enabled, and we slide the screen to the bottom to look for Ethernet IP mode options. We need to change this setting from DHCP to static. We click and select the static option. We start changing our IP configuration. This should be in line with our Imagine system installation and could vary each time. In my scenario, I will type 10.254.1.100 in the IP address field and move to the gateway field. I will type 0.0.0.0 in this field and move to the netmask field. I will type 255.0.0.0 and will click the connect button. I will scroll to the top and double check my entries. Everything looks as I expected. I will click the go back button. I will click the Workgroup menu. Our workgroup gets discovered automatically. We click on the Workgroup selection bar. I will select the Helvar Workgroup and click the Save and Connect button. I will get a confirmation message about connecting to the Helvar Workgroup. My workgroup is now correctly connected. I can leave this menu by pressing the arrow back. I will now leave the setting by pressing the X. I can now edit the button if any adjustments are needed. Please note that for correct button feedback, push messages in the Imagine system need to be enabled. We exit the editor mode by pressing the X. My panel is now fully operational within my Imagine workgroup. If necessary, please test the controls on each design to ensure they work correctly.